Yes, you may
Into
go.
the 0.25y.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm just going to say, what do I have here? 0.2x plus 0.25y is 1,000 minus x. And that's going to, and I'm again solving this as an equality right now is 240. So I have what? 0.2 x plus
250, right?
what? Yes.
100,000 is 250.
250 minus 0.25x equals 240. Okay, let's see if we can't do this here. I'm going to end up with what? A negative 0.05x equals a negative what?
10.
Negative 10. And when I solve for x, what is it?
500 or something.
200.
Yes.
Okay, so when x is 200, is it easy to figure out what y is?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, so when x is 200, I know that y is going to be 1,000, and I'm going to just zoom out a second so that you can see that on my graph. And let's see, I have a ruler here. So here's my 100, this is 200, and there I can see that when x is 200, y is approximately 800. And I know that that's hard to see on my graph. Okay, so we can find those coordinates, okay? And that's going to be really important for solving this. All right, let me see. All right, we did that. All right, so now number 4. Guess the best strategy. What might be their best solution? We're looking for, in other words, what number of 12-inch and 16-inch pizzas will give the business the maximum profit? And that's why we're doing this problem. We want to know, in this region, what is the maximum profit? You want to pick a point and tell me?
Intersection.
Pardon me?
Intersection.
How would you know that that's the best profit?
Yes.
Guess? Okay, so we have how many equations?
4.
Oh, wait a minute. Do you remember at the beginning, we had a money statement. Do you remember how much you said that they were going to make for the small and the large pizzas? Okay, so we now know that it's going to be $2 for the small and $4 for the large. And now we want to know, where is their profit? Where is the greatest profit? Renee?
Wouldn't it be if they sold all larges?
All larges, that's a good guess. Let's check that out. How many larges are possible with our graph? Let me see. These are the largest.
No.
Are we saying that they should make, what was this number? 9?
250.
What?
250.
No, it has to be within this feasibility range, remember? And I believe that was 800. So if they sell 800, 4 times 800 is what? $3,200. Okay, anybody else want to take a guess?
Whatever that point is.
Whatever that point is?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was X, I think was 200, Y was 800. So let's see what happens if they sell 200 small, and how much is that? That's $400. And if they sell 4 at 800, 800 for 4, that's going to be 3,200.
Only.
You intuitively think that it's going to be that, but the fact of the matter is it's not necessarily. That's what linear programming is about. You are going to be looking at the vertices. This one happened to be a triangle, and the vertices happen to be pretty, that one up there and we had these two over here, and we could see Renee guessed that one point in the feasibility region, and it ended up not being the most profit, okay? So that's what your job is going to be. We're going to be examining where those lines cross and determining where, depending on what the problem is. Yes? You.
Oh,
You're
no,
just stretching your fingers.
my fingers. are-
Okay, okay. Questions? So far, so good? Okay. What do I wanna do here? What I'd like to do is just read a problem with you, and it's in your textbook.